Hello and welcome to our video on the top 5 must-have power tools for every DIY enthusiast. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, you need high-quality power tools to get the job done efficiently. In this video, we introduce you to the top 5 power tools that every DIY enthusiast must have. Product 1, DEWALT 20V Max *XR Angle Grinder with Kickback Brake. The DEWALT 20V Max *XR Angle Grinder is a must-have tool for every DIY enthusiast. This angle grinder is designed with a powerful brushless motor that provides 57% more run time than a brushed motor. It comes with a kickback brake that stops the wheels in less than 2 seconds in case of a pinch or stall. The slide switch design allows for easy operation, and the 4.5-inch wheel is perfect for cutting and grinding jobs. Product 2, DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill and Impact Driver. The DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill and Impact Driver Combo Kit is a powerful and versatile power tool set that every DIY enthusiast should own. Brushless motors provide 57% more run time than brushed motors. The kit includes 2 batteries and a charger, so you never have to worry about running out of power. Drills and impact drivers have ergonomic designs that make them easy to handle and use for extended periods of time. Product 3, Craftsman Mechanics Tool Kit with 3-drawer box. The Craftsman Mechanics Tools Kit is a comprehensive tool set that every DIY enthusiast should have. The kit contains 216 high-quality tools, including ratchets, sockets, wrenches, and more. The tool is durable and has a rust-resistant finish, making it perfect for long-term use. The kit includes a 3-drawer box that keeps tools organized and easy to access. Product 4, Dremel 8220-2/28 12V Max Cordless Rotary Tool Kit with Battery, Carrying Case. The Dremel 8220-2/28 Cordless Rotary Tool Kit is a versatile and powerful tool that every DIY enthusiast should have. This kit includes a 12V battery, a carrying case, 2 attachments, and 28 accessories. The rotary tool is ideal for cutting, sanding, sharpening, and grinding tasks. The cordless design makes it easy to use in hard-to-reach areas, and the kit comes with a variety of accessories that let you tackle a wide range of tasks. Product 5, DEWALT Mechanics Tool Kit and Socket Set. The DEWALT Mechanics Tools Kit and Socket Set is a comprehensive tool set that every DIY enthusiast should have in their collection. The kit contains 108 high-quality tools, including ratchets, sockets, wrenches, and more. The tools are made of durable materials and have a polished chrome finish that resists corrosion. The kit comes in a durable carrying case that keeps tools organized and easy to access. So there you have it, the top 5 must-have power tools for every DIY enthusiast. Whether you are cutting, grinding, sanding, or drilling, these tools will help you get the job done efficiently and effectively. We hope this video helped you make an informed decision. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. Check the video description for details.